Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? I am doing great. Welcome to another project on our 12 days of Craftmas. Y'all, I am having too much fun doing this series. I hope y'all are enjoying it, because I am. Alright, now look at it. I'm now gonna delve into the unknown. I've never done this, but I'm excited. Alright, so I went to plumpurdy.com, P-U-R-D-Y, right? I'll link it down below if I remember. And she has a lot of free patterns on her website, right? So she has this one. Now, as you can see, you're supposed to do it on a sleigh. Well, I don't have a sleigh, but I do have a little bird feeder. And I believe I got this at the Dollar Tree, just $1. So, I'm going to use it. I think I can do it. So what I've done is the line art, line drawing, she calls it line drawing. I have reduced the size of it several times, and I believe this is the one I need right here, because what I'm going to do is, let me just take all this stuff out. Alright, so they give you a string, and they give you the wood glue, and they give you the little eyelet. Okay, so they give you that. So I'm going to put that back in the bag so I don't lose it, because I'm not ready for that yet. Not ready for assemblage. Alright. Now, I thought this is the bottom, and then these are the sides, right? It goes like this. So those are the sides, and then you have the pole, and then this is the house, the roof. Right? So, and they go like that. And it's going to be cute. I think it's going to be cute. So, at first, I was going to do the little snowman on this. Right? But then I was like, you know what? You won't see that, though. Only the birds will see that, because it'll be down in the thing, right? So, what I think I want to do is do it on these. Do it on the roof. Raising the roof. Anyway, so I believe this little guy, if we take a look, yes, he's gonna fit. Now, it's not gonna be round like the sleigh, right? But I'm gonna make it work. I'm just gonna have to do it, right? So, but isn't he going to be cute? I think he's going to be adorable. I think he's going to be so cute. So, but the first thing that we need to do is we need to seal all of these pieces of wood. And they feel pretty smooth to me, but I don't know. I might need to get some of my sandpaper and kind of just sand it down a little bit, just to make sure that it's good and sanded. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to, like, see there's these little pieces hanging. So I'm just going to take a little sanding block and just hit these. And then I'm going to just use my sealer, multi-purpose sealer. And I'm going to just put a coat of that on. And then I will be back, because I want to show you. Now, again, this is the first time I'm ever doing this, so I think it'll be all right, though. I really do. But we'll need a piece of graphite paper, which I have, because we need to trace this to this, and we're going to do it 2 times, because we're going to have it on 2 sides. All right, so let me do all of that, and I will be back. I'm like, how did Sarah see over the thing? She used tracing paper before she did this part. Okay, I remember now. Ah, no big deal. All right, so I will trace. I've got tracing paper. Let me get that. I almost forgot that stuff. All right, let me get tracing paper. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it traced now. And so now I can put them on here so that I know where I've got them. Okay, so I got them pretty much on here. I think they look cute. So let us find the directions. What did I do with them? There they are. Okay. So she says to base in all areas as follows. The sky is French gray blue. So let's just start there. Now, I know I want the bottom to be in that color and the sides as well. Right? And the pill. So I need to paint all of these French gray blue. Right? French gray blue, yeah. So here we go. All right, and I'm gonna take my Oops. Put it up. I think I'm gonna take my little filbert brush. I kind of like using it. Alright, so I'm going to do this one too, and I'm going to do all of these pieces, and I'm coloring all 4 sides of this. And again, I'm going to do the front and back of these as well, but not the back of that, because that's going to be the bottom, so I really, I don't care about that. But these, both sides need to be done, because you'll see both sides of those. Alright, so once I do that, I will be back, and then we can move on to our other stuff, and then I can make a decision if it does need 2 coats or if it just needs 1. Okie dokie. So I got the backs painted and the sides, and I did go ahead and paint the bottom of the bird cage just just to save it, because I think I am going to put it outside. So I did both sides, so all of that is done. On here, I did not do the bottom because we're gluing that, and I didn't paint up here either because glue will go there. So I didn't want paint to interfere with that. Okay, so now let's move on to the snowman. And he's sand. Okay, so I've got the snowman down. Okay, now we're gonna do the says to do the nose, but it also says that we do the nose after we do the scarf. So let's go ahead and go to the scarf, and that's jade green. I don't understand why she said to wait to do. Maybe she's meaning, I think I know what she means. I think she meant to wait to highlight and do all that until after we do the scarf. So I'm going to go ahead and do the nose, which is Canyon Orange. Alright, so now we go on to shade, and I'm going to use my 3/4 of an inch shader, 3/8 rather. Shade along the outside edge of the sky with deep midnight blue. And in case you're doing, you know, this along or something along the lines of this, I'm going to go ahead and do just, you know, one side, because the inside of the box, so these don't need to be seen, but it's the outside that does. So I'm just going to go, you know, along the sides. Okay, so we're supposed to stipple, and my brush that I bought to stipple are stencil brushes, and they've not been stenciling very well, or stippling. So I just have this old, it's a flat, but it's bushy, you know? So I'm going to try it. Why not? So I'm supposed to take the titanium white, and we're supposed to stipple. So now I'm going to float or shade okay, and then dot the coals down the front of the body with lamp black, and then we shade around the outside of the eyes and the right side of the coals with milk chocolate. So let's do that. Ooh-wee. You know what I forgot to do? Dot the sky with titanium white to make it look like snowfall. Okay, so I need to do that. Alright, we're coming along. Alright, now I'm going to switch to my 1/8. My 1/8 of a brush. Because I think even my 4th is going to be too big, because we need to go on the right side of the button and on the outside of the eyes with the milk chocolate. Okay. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. He's turning out to be adorable. Alright, now we float cheeks, and I'm going to go back up to my 4th, because it looks like they're from here. Here, I'll do it on this one. Looks like they're from here all the way to there. So it's like whoop, right like that. So we're going to use coral blush for that. Alright, I'm going to wait to do the twigs because I need to re-put them on. Okay, I think what I want to do, oh, you know what I forgot to do I don't think no, I didn't. I need to paint in the star with golden straw. So let me do that. Paint the nose after the scarf is finished. So I'm gonna wait to do the nose. So we need to go to the scarf, but I need to kind of redo the lines so that I know where I'm at. So I am going to wait until this gets completely dry before I do that. So I'll be back when that is done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the twigs on his head. So I've kind of put them here. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Okay, now then. Oh my goodness, I think he's adorable. Alright, and then we use Country Red to put the berries on. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Okay, I like it. I think he's cute. I think he's adorable. Okay. So now, what do we do? Okay, now we need to go to the scarf because we're supposed to paint the nose after the scarf is finished. So I'm going to wait to do his nose. Alright, now let's do the shade the scarf with avocado. And now, let's see, and then highlight with a brush mix of jade green and sand. Oh, he is coming together. Okay. Okay, so now we paint the wide stripes with gooseberry pink, which is discontinued. They don't have it anymore. They replaced it with terra coral. Okay, and then paint the thin stripes with Hauser dark green. Okay, and now these lines we paint with the black green. Go back and lightly shade again over the stripes with thin black green. Okay, and so now I'm taking the buttermilk and I'm mixing it with water to get it fluid like ink. Oh my gosh, look how cute he is turning out, y'all. Ooh-wee. Okay, let's move on to the star. And then, by then, the scarf should be good and done so that I can do the nose, right? Alright, so lightly shade the left side of the star with burnt sienna. Okay, that star looks a little sad. Alright, and then back with the liner brush in this black. I'll do the string. Let's just put these over to the side for a second, because I want all that to make sure it's going to dry before I do the nose. So, but we can go ahead. Okay, look how cute those came out. I think that's going to be cute on the sides, right? Cute. I just have to let this dry to put the highlight in it. But I put a little bit of snow, look like snow's on the branch. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's get to the nose and then he'll be done. Oh, I think he's so cute. Okay. So, shade the nose with ox blood. Deepen the shading and paint with russet. I don't have russet, but I do have antique maroon, and that's what I'm going to use. And then we're going to highlight a few humps in the nose with tangerine. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all. Isn't it adorable? Just put little highlights on those guys. And there. Oh my gosh. Now all I gotta do is put it together and we'll have a cute little birdhouse. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is my very first time doing anything like this and I am so excited. I think he turned out super duper cute. I am in love with them. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright. So I'm going to let it dry completely, and I am going to actually, I'm going to put glossy accents on it, or not accents, but gloss spray, only because it's going to go outside and I want it to be glossy. I don't want it to be matte. That's just my preference. So once he completely dries, I'm going to spray him, and then once that dries, then I'm going to put everything together, and then we can be in awe of our cute little bird house. So stay tuned for all of that. Okay, how many of y'all knew I was going to do this? Raise your hand. I'm going to take some of the sparkling ice and go over the snow that's on his nose. Oh my gosh. Alright, same thing I'm going to do wherever there is snow. I'm going to put a little sparkling ice. Okay, so I got it done. Oh, the only thing is I painted this wrong. They should have went landscape instead of portrait, but whatever. It's cute enough as it is. And I just used hot glue to glue it together, which may not have been a greatest idea, but it's done and it's cute and I love it so much. Isn't it cute? So I might spray it one more time. I did just one layer, but like I said, I plan on putting it outside, so we'll see. But it's so cute. I love it. I hope y'all love it too. Isn't that adorable? Very proud. Very first time doing this, and I love it, and I'm obsessed. I've wanted to always do this, and I'm so glad. I am so appreciative of Sarah for posting that video so that I would see it. I'm just so happy. So thank you, Sarah. Alright, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you. I hope you're enjoying this 12 Days of Craftmas series that I'm doing. So, alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!